Hey guys, what's going on? John Pascavage here, and it's January 19th, 2019, and we got Snowmagedden coming here in central Pennsylvania today. Later this afternoon, they're calling for about a foot of snow. I've heard everywhere from, well, you know how the weathermen are. It's 4 inches to 2 feet, or 0 inches to 10 feet. But there's a huge snowstorm headed this way, and sneaking out to do some ice fishing for a few hours before the storm really hits this afternoon. So kind of on a secret pond here, secret lake. I don't know if it's not so secret, just as it's kind of out of the way and not as many people really go here. But I was here last week and I did really well. And, well, I mean, a lot of times I find that fish, whether it's ice fishing or open water, they'll bite, better before weather changes a lot of the time, especially kind of going into a storm, and even during the storm they'll bite better. I don't know what it is, but it just tends to happen. I'm hoping to find that here. This lake has all kinds, has trout, bass, panfish, bluegill, crappie, pickerel, all kinds of stuff, and see what I can get into here. And obviously this might be the only time I get on the ice this weekend, so yeah, damn thing choked the jig. That was good work. There he is. My bluegill. Don't want to go back. A little bigger. Okay. Getting a little bigger. Well, there was one. Let's see what come up. There he is. Whoa, there's a pretty good one. That's bigger. Another one down there. Oh, there's another one down there. There's another one down there. Down there again. Back down there. Come on. I think this one's big. found any big perch in here. There's a nice little school here, I think. Let's go up to the mark. Another one. Nice. So yeah, I left the lake and got home right before it started snowing, and it's been snowing all afternoon. We're really just getting into the meat of it right now. We got about 5 inches already. As you can see, it's pretty heavy. It's coming down pretty heavy. We're supposed to get another 5 to 6 tonight, and the storm total, they're saying 8 to 12, maybe more, maybe less, obviously. But yeah, you can see it's really coming down out here. And obviously I think the weather change and right before the storm kind of turned the fish on a bit, and it was a great day.